Alright, so we got the turbo truck back in the shop. We're going to do some more work on it. We're doing another transmission because this thing likes to eat them. I think this would be transmission number 4 or 5 going in. Actually, it's probably more than that. It's probably at least the 5th one that I've had in this truck since I did the swap. The first 2 I did use an adapter plate, and I kept breaking flex plates, so I think I went through 3 flex plates before I switched to the V6 pattern transmission. Get rid of the adapter plate, and haven't had an issue with the flex plate since. And I've had 3 this will be the 3rd one with this bell housing. It's these transmissions just aren't really designed to have any power going through them in stock form. This is a 4,800 pound truck, and those transmissions usually only come in that car that's got usually only 3,600 pounds, so it's got a little extra weight to push around, and plus I'm adding another 100 horsepower over what it's used to. So another thing that doesn't help is running on the stock 4L60 ECU that came in the 93 truck here. So this one will go in for now, and then we will probably end up using one of the cores that I got now and actually try our hand at building a transmission that will hopefully hold some more power, and then I'll see if I can save up for like a micro squirt or something to control the transmission. So let's get started. Alright, so we got the transmission out now. The old one's just here on the jack. Since I'm here by myself, I just use the drive-on hoist. Put the other tranny on and bring the hoist up and swap them out. But first, I got to do a few things to this one before it's ready to go in. Got the filter kit, new tailstock seal, and this is what they call the Corvette servo. I've used this in pretty much every one that I've done in this thing. Helps firm up the 1-2 shift. Makes it a lot quicker. It works pretty good, so I always try to do those at least when I put these things in, just to help it out a little bit. I would like to do a shift kit in this one, but I'm just going to save my money and actually try to build the transmission up. So this one's just going to go in stock, get my 90-day warranty out of it. Hopefully it'll last the summer. I don't have to touch it, maybe next summer too. But in the meantime, we'll work on getting another one ready to go in it. So, alright, so we got the transmission back in here. Should be all ready to go. Just got to put some fluid in it. Thought I'd just tell you guys a couple tips if you're doing a front wheel drive motor on rear wheel drive transmission. This one thing you got to do here, you need a spacer to space the starter out, some longer bolts. That's about a 9/16 inch spacer. It's just a hunk of steel. I drilled some holes in it, made it work. And another thing over here, if you notice, this bolt here, you need a long bolt to bolt it all the way through, because on the rear wheel drive blocks they have a bolt hole there actually in the block. On the front wheel drive it's just drilled straight through, so I just have a longer bolt in there and just clamp it all down that way. looks like that should do it. So I guess I'll get this buttoned up, and I got a few more things I'm going to do to this before I actually take it for a test drive. Might just run around the parking lot first, make sure it kind of works. Seems to shift through all the gears on the hoist, no problem. But I want to try to maybe install my intercooler and change the plenum over before I actually start driving this thing again. So that's going to be it for this one. Thanks for watching.